Okay, so this week I've got a little bit different kind of video for you. I'm here at MoPop. It's the Museum of Pop Culture in Seattle for the opening of the new Marvel Universe of Superheroes exhibit. Tonight is the sold-out opening night party and the launch of this huge exhibit that runs through January 6th of 2019. The red carpet event featured curators, creators, and contributors to this incredible exhibit. On the red carpet, you may recognize a few of these faces. And here's my spot on the red carpet to cover the event. Check this out. And after the lineup, we got a first look at the exhibit before anyone else, and it is incredible. If you love Marvel Comics and the Marvel Cinematic Universe, you have got to come see this. I don't want to spoil it for you by showing you too much, but these are just a few of the cool things you can expect to find. Topping off the night was the ribbon cutting ceremony and the VIP party.
2, 1.
There were even Marvel-sanctioned characters roaming the museum for great photo ops. Of course, I had to get in on the action. I brought in my new Mark IV arc reactor for a simple and subtle DIY cosplay. And if you want to know how I built my arc reactor, please subscribe to my channel to be notified when I post the DIY tutorial. So whether you live in Seattle or not, you have got to come see Marvel Universe of Superheroes. It runs through January 6, 2019. You can get more information at mopop.org.